The purpose of the shop department is to come alongside all of the other departments to make their jobs easier and to allow them to get the work that they need done.
When we have students come through the program, one of the things that I think we can encourage them in or challenge them with is the fact that the skills that they will learn will not only be ones that they can use themselves in maintenance at their own home or vehicle repair in the future, would be to use those skills to minister to others within their church, to minister to their community.
Anything from welding to vehicles to woodworking to house construction to general grounds and maintenance.
Things never go as you plan. Applying that to our biblical lives, it's very important that we persevere no matter what it is that we're working on. As Colossians 3:23 says, and whatsoever you do, do it heartily as unto the Lord and not unto men. And I think that's a very applicable truth to realize the tasks that we're doing. If we're not performing it as unto the Lord, then it can become a very discouraging thing when things don't go the way we want them to. So I think as a life lesson, that's a very important one to learn.